everyone, you are welcome to our class today. In today's class, I'm going to teach you the alphabets of Igbo language. In Igbo, we say mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. One more time. Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. That is the alphabets of Igbo language. Mkpụrụ edemede means alphabet. If you don't call it mkpụrụ edemede, you can call it mkpụrụ abidi. Mkpụrụ abidi Igbo or mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. As we all know that the alphabet of every language is the basic for you to learn that language. So in as much as you want to read or write a particular language, you must be conversant with the alphabets of that language for you to be able to read and write. So I decided to bring that topic today to you for you to learn how the Igbo alphabets look like, which will enable you to read Igbo language and also write it. So the Igbo alphabets are 36 in number. We have 36 alphabets in Igbo language. So if you want to say it in Igbo, you will say mkpụrụ edemede Igbo dị iri atọ na isii. Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo dị iri atọ na isii. Iri atọ na isii is 36. Iri atọ na isii, 36. So we will learn them one after the other. But before I proceed, if it's your first time of coming across our video, please kindly subscribe to it. Follow us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram. You will definitely learn a lot. So before I proceed, we'll look into the alphabets one after the other. We will see the alphabets, then we'll learn their pronunciations. Let's go there. Let's begin. The first letter we have is A. When I pronounce, I'll give you a chance. You repeat after me. So let's go. A, A, B, B, Chi, Chi, D, D, E, Fi, Fi, G, G, B, B, R, R, Gui, Gui, He, I, E, J, J, K, K, B, B, Qui, Qui, Li, Li, Mi, Mi, Ni, 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 Wi, Wi, Ni, Ni, O, O, A, A, P, P, R, R, C, C, She, She, T, T, U, U, O, O, V, V, yeah, yeah, zim, zim. So the aforementioned are the alphabets of Igbo language. Now let's put it into music. Stay tuned. I begin now. When I sing, I give you chance, you sing. A, B, C, D, E. Figi, wi, gwi. Hi, I, jeke. Bi, kwi, li, mini. Nge, wi, nyi, o, a. Pirisi, shiti. U, vi, wi, ezen. A, B, C, D, E. Figi, wi, gwi. Hi, I, jeke. Bi, kwi, li, mini. Ngi, wi, nyi, o, a. Pirisi, shiti. U, vi, wi, ezen. That's the alphabets of Igbo language. I believe you learn it. Just keep practicing. In our next class, I will teach you about the vowels and the consonants of the alphabets. We know we have our consonants too, just as English has their own. We have our vowels and consonants too. So in our next lesson, we will look into that. Remember, I told you that the alphabets of Igbo language are 36 in number. Remember, I told you 36 is what? Can you remember? Iri atọ na isii. Good. Iri atọ na isii. The alphabets in Igbo are called what? Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. With this, I think we've come to the end of this lesson. Please always try as much as you can to practice, because practice makes perfect. So continue practicing. You will learn Igbo language. See you in my next class. But please remember to follow us, subscribe to our channels, and drop your comments. Thank you. Until we see next time. Bye.